Thanks, Wade. Thanks, Darren. So I was telling you guys, the house is just over 3,700.
Hello.
Hello there.
Thank
It's
you.
got 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms.
Thank you.
There was an older house here before.
Mary,
So
welcome to our new place.
Oh, and it's perfect.
Let's toast.
Cheers to us, the new owners of Vineland Avenue.
Wonder what the neighbors are like.
Like if they're sexy?
Welcome, guys. Hi, my name is Brad. Could I get you guys to sign in real quick?
A housewarming party for guests asking for the host contact info? That's pretty fucked up, but okay, Brad.
Thanks.
Brad.
You know when my cousin was off his meds, he was just like that.
Every time I walk in, they be like, oh my God, it was right there, looking like a rock star.
This is amazing.
Shades and the glasses on, all black, everything mainly in his own.
Stainless steel.
I know, it's gorgeous. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at the lights. Look at this table, I didn't see that table. Oh.
I wanna see you.
Marble towel.
Let me see you move.
This kitchen,
Put your hand.
all new Thermador appliances?
What's cooking, babe?
You know, just something I whipped together, a little caramelized figs and handmade raviolis and a rosemary brown butter sauce.
You are the best cook.
Oh, thank you.
Hi.
I'm confused. Is this house off market?
We haven't even set an offer deadline yet. So, as I was telling you about, we have these nice natural finished oak hardwood floors, really tall ceilings, beautiful gas fireplace.
This is great. It's kind of crazy.
I gotta go. What are you guys doing?
Oh, nothing. We're just mastering our game.
Gotta go.
Brad.
Bye, boys.
You guys better not be heading to the master bedroom next.
Do you want me to call my cousin? Like I said, he's a little out there, but he's pretty strong.
Dude, don't call that guy.
Where were we? I'm sorry. So the basement level, it's 1,100 square feet. There's plenty of room for a pool table down here. Really great for family entertaining. We got room for a media center.
This bed is so comfy.
Let's really break it in.
It's morphin' time!
In a way, this is weirder.
Honey, I'm all clean now. Spick and span.
We're so clean. It's beautiful.
Ah, champagne.
Oh. Thank you. Thank you.
You can just load the rest of the champers in our car. I'm assuming it comes with the purchase.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
No, they don't own the house yet, and they don't own the champagne. Oh, it's impossible.
Brad. Brad.
Cheers to
Cheers to us.